Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly is getting up just now. It's a little past 10, and I'm about to start and finish this project. I got that closet to do, and this part of the floor to do. Shouldn't take me long, probably 2 hours, if not. And then after that, I'm going to assess it, clean the area. I took out a lot of trash yesterday because it was trash day. But I'm going to clean the area real good. Well, after I do this too, I got to do the last strip, which is the first strip. I did it like that one YouTuber that I watched, and I forget his name, but I put his information right here so you can see it. He's really good. Remember, don't follow me for a step-by-step. You don't want to do that. You want to follow him or somebody else who knows what they're doing. I'm here and I'm doing it DIY to save me some cash, okay? The man hours I'm doing, I got the materials, but the man hours I'm saving, and I'm saving on this whole project upstairs, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 4 bedrooms in the hallway. Would have cost me $8,000 according to one of the box store estimates. Okay. Well, without further ado, let's get this job done. Today is the day.
Merry Christmas, sing it loud and clear. Happy birthday, Lord, we hold you dear. Your grace surrounds us, we feel you near. Forever grateful, let us give a cheer. In your light, we shine and our voices rise. Forever in your love, we see the Merry Christmas, sing it loud and clear. Happy birthday, Lord, we hold you dear. Your grace surrounds us, we feel you near. Forever grateful, let us give a cheer. In your light, we shine, let our voices rise. Forever in your love, we see the sky. Our friend is called Bentley. He's our four-legged friend. There are many like him in the world, but this one is mine. He's a dented Chihuahua, and he's handsome as hell. The best-looking dog in the world. Bentley loves going camping with us.
All right. I'm getting there. I only got 3 on, but it was giving me a little trouble right here. But as you can see, it's got room to breathe and it's covered. And the baseboard is going to cover any other spaces. All right, if you have any comments, comment down below. I'll try to answer them as best I can, or I'll refer you to a video like this video right here of this guy. He's the guy I learned from. I didn't learn everything from him because I do look at other videos, but he seems like he's the best and thorough. And that's all I have. So I'll be back after my break.
3 hours later.
Running through the fields, happy as can be. Bentley, oh Bentley. A bond like no other. Bentley's always by my side. Bentley, oh Bentley. Your wagon tail makes my heart melt. Running through the fields, happy as can be. Bentley, oh Bentley. Bentley. Oh Bentley.
All right. Around the doors turned out to be pretty good. Wasn't too much of a hassle. Yeah. It's this little piece right here, which is, except for this door jamb here, it's all, 90-degree angles. And then I have to come over here and put that last baseboard, which is not a full board, so I have to cut it along the edge, which is not bad, but it's a 2.5 boards I have to cut. And then take the nails and that little piece, those little pieces out, and then put the other one in there. And I'll be done with this floor. It's got to clean up. Taking out all the staples and the carpet trim to keep the carpet down, and all these staples. And then clean this up. Hopefully I don't need any transitions here. Hopefully that's flush. I don't think it's going to be, but I know they had to raise it over here a little bit, which might cause me some problems. They had this nice and flush. You don't want to lip there, because if you have a lip there, like Shelly can trip on it. So that's it. And then transition into the laundry room. So I need to transition here, transition there, transition to my office. That's my office right there. That's how it looks downstairs. You had a couple looks. If you saw my videos, you had a couple looks already. So once I do this floor here, I'm going to take a little bit of a break. And I think I take all these nails out, which is not going to be a problem, I think. I just need a place to do it, and then, knock out all the nails. I have them all marked. And I'm not sure if I'm going to paint it first, nail it to the wall, and then paint it. So that's it. Here's my octopus. Yep. So I had to clean my RV carpet. It was a little dirty. It's washable, which that's where I like it. And it's thin enough that when you put a slide in, nothing snags. All right, that is where I'm at now. Like I said, I just did this part right here, which was pretty easy. And it fit in there nicely, so I measured correctly. If you were a little bit crooked, you might find yourself angle here, which is not good, you know what I mean? But especially if you were going in a smooth transition to like another room. I just gotta do this part here and I'm done. All right.
It's here, a clamp out in 2025. With Tom and Ashanti, we thrive. Everyone just scream, let the good times roll. Get ready for a night doubling right your soul. Under the stars, let the energy flow. It's here, the party of the year. With handsome men and ladies, we cheer. In our park, the vibe is just right. Let's make magic under the moonlight. The band is all ready. We're all decked out. No time for resting. Just move and shout. Get out of your class, say, and shake that groove. Feel the rhythm, make your body move. Party all night, we'll dance till we drop. It's here, the party of the year. We've had some men and ladies, we cheer. In our park, the fun is just right. Let's make magic under the moonlight. So let's make this night one to remember. The grab our shines, it's brighter than December. It's here, the grandpa in 2025. It's our man and Ashanti, we thrive. Everyone just scream, let the good times roll. Get ready for a night when it might your soul. Under the stars, let the energy flow. It's here, the party of the year. With handsome men and ladies we cheer. In our part, the vibe is just right. Let's make magic under the moonlight. The band is all ready, we're all dead down. No time for us to just move and shout. Get out of your class A and shake that groove. Thrill and shake that groove. Feel the rhythm, make your body move. Party on back, we'll dance till we drop. It's here, the party of the year. With handsome men and ladies we cheer. In our park, the vibe is just right. Let's make magic under the moonlight.
Alright, I'm done. I don't even know what time it is. 7:20. I'm done. I started early today. Try to get it done. And I'm officially done. I have poor lighting in here. So excuse me, and it's getting dusk. It's almost dark. But let me just show you. Let me give you a better angle here. I like how I did the transition to the room to the closet. Nice smooth transition. So that's nice. And around there, once I do the baseboard, you're not going to see any of that imperfection. Let me give you a nice look from the back here. Let's see if I can go to 1.6. I can, nice. I'm going to tell you right now, I don't see any imperfections. But once I put the baseboard on, it's going to look real nice. And that's how the room looks from the other side. Next is the hallway. So that's my next. You know, I'm still going to finish up in here with the baseboards and all that. And painting and some, I tore some paint over here. I know how to avoid that now by using a putty knife and just scorch the paint from the back of the baseboard. So when we're taking out the baseboards, it's not ripping up the paint. So I know that now for the rest of the room, so I won't make that same mistake. So there you have it. One room pretty much down. I would say with the floor 100% down. I just got to put stuff back that I took out, like the baseboards, and like I said, touch up and move the furniture, the new furniture back in here. So that's all I have. If you have any questions, give me a call, comment down below. Don't call me. Comment down below and I'll answer all your questions. And like I said, I'm not an expert. I'm trying to save my Shelly Boo $5,000. I don't think I'm going to save that much because I bought the tools and now I need to get transitions. But now I know that one transition equals 2 doors, because it's like 76 inches, and each door is about 34 or something like that. So we have plenty of room. So one transition equals to 2 doors. About $20 a door. That's not too bad. So, like I said, if you have any questions, comment down below. Like and share if you want. You know, it's okay. I really don't. I care, but I really don't care. You know, I mean, if you don't subscribe and just want to view this series of flooring, that's fine. So, all right. Without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.